welcome back! I'm so excited for this video, but I'm a little frustrated already because it's taking me so long to be able to film this because it's raining so hard where I live, and it's just impossible to film without you guys hearing very loud noise because my camera is right next to the window. It finally stopped. Hopefully it doesn't rain anymore because I really want to get this video done today. So yes, as you can tell by the title of this video, this is going to be another mystery box unboxing, and you guys seem to really love these on my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be trying out a fashion mystery box from eBay, and I've done other mystery boxes on my channel, but I haven't done a fashion mystery box unboxing yet, and I thought that'd be pretty interesting since I do lots of fashion videos here. So I went searching on eBay for a fashion mystery box, and I found one for 75 bucks, and this one claims to be a new with tags women's designer clothing, accessories, makeup, skincare mystery box. So it's right here. So of course that caught my attention and I got it. So, oh, now sun, go away sun. I hope you guys don't mind the lighting change. The sun just came in very strong, but now it's going away. Okay, never mind. Before they sent out the box, the seller reached out to me and asked me like my clothing sizes, so that way they send me something that's gonna fit me. I just got the box in a couple days ago, and I'm so excited to open it up and see what this mystery box is all about. Although I gotta say, not too pleased with the packaging. It's just very generic. Didn't even put like a question mark or something. Don't judge a book by its cover, right? Okay, let's open it up. It looks like this on the inside. They definitely packed it very nice and neat, as you could see. So there goes the sun again. Back to the box. Let's see what the note says. Thank you for your purchase and supporting our cause. All proceeds from our sales here and Poshmark pay down my mom's out-of-pocket medical expenses, care, and therapy. This project has given her a renewed sense of purpose. We appreciate you. Hope you enjoy opening all the items we chose for you. P.S. My mom loves Christmas, so we included something from her personal collection. It is a token of hope that passing it along will keep her love of the Christmas spirit alive. Oh, that's so touching. I didn't expect, you know, that. Let's see. First thing, I'm gonna open this one because I'm guessing this is the, oh my gosh, I'm guessing this is the what did you say it was? A token? I don't know how to say that, but anyway, it's this cute Christmas brooch, and it has a little sticker that says thank you. So cute and so detailed. Oh, okay. So the first item in this fashion mystery box is this. This is obviously brand new. It has the tag, and this is from Free People. Wow, this cost $38, and it is a cute orange lace bandeau, right? Is that what it's called? A bandeau? Like those, the bra thing. I honestly have never really worn a bandeau. This is a size small, and I hope it fits me. I don't know. Okay, so this is what the bandeau looks like on. I absolutely love it, but as you can see, it's way too small for me. But it is brand new, so if any of my subscriber wants it, just let me know in the comments and I'll ship it over to you. Moving on, I got another one, and this one has a little sticker that says thank you to, and then this one, ooh, this is cute. This is a tank top, and so the tag says it's a size small, and it is from Guess. It's like this silk tank top with the lace and sequin trimming. This kind of gives me like 2005 vibes. You know what I'm talking about. So let me try it on for you. Okay, so this is what it looks like on. I'm not really used to this style. It is really pretty, but I'm not sure if this is supposed to be like this. Am I supposed to iron it, or is this like the fashion? I don't know. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Moving on. It's another one with, yeah, you get the point. Ooh, what is this? it's a purse. Looks like this. It's got a really awesome flower sewing pattern. It almost looks like homemade. I think I'm gonna give this one to my daughter. She's been obsessed with purses lately, so she's gonna love this one. Ooh. Oh, so much more. And then next thing is this, and ooh, it's another, let's see, tank top. It's from the Max Studios brand, and this was $78. You guys, this box was 75 bucks. That's already over the value of the box. It is a very soft tank top with stripes, as you can see, and then it's got this cute pattern on the straps. I think I'm gonna really like this one because I have tons of tank tops similar to these that I wear a lot, so let's try it on. This is what this tank top looks like on. It's super comfortable. I love the way it feels. It just reminds me of like those mom tank tops that I have. Here's the back. I own a bunch of them, so I know I'm gonna be getting lots of wear out of this one. Ah, so cute. If the lighting keeps changing, just know it's the sun. And this one, this is a fine shawl. This is a huge scarf, but I gotta say it is the softest fabric ever. My first thought when I was looking at this was my grandma, because if you didn't know, like my mom and grandma still wear the, let me show you. I don't know what you call this, a headscarf? Yeah, a headscarf, because we are Jesus believers. Something like this. Oh, I look like my grandma. Actually, I look like my mother. Oh, I'm just kidding. Love you, Mom. Okay, but no, seriously, this is so cute and soft, but I think I'm gonna gift it to my grandma because she wears these a lot. But moving on, there's a couple more items in there. So I can see that there is a lipstick, because it looks like a lipstick, right? Let's see what it is. This says Lipstick Queen, and I'm not sure what brand. This is Ice Queen. Ice Queen. Okay, let's see. It is this white lipstick. I've never seen a white lipstick before. Let's see what this swatch is like. Oh, it's not actually white. It's like a shimmery. It definitely looks pretty icy though, so I could see why they call this the Ice Queen. But I thought that was a cute little touch to the box. And moving on, there's two more items. We're almost done. Got these, which are two masks. This one is a coconut lip mask, and this one is a Korean mask to moisturize and brighten up your skin. Pretty cool that they added a couple like beauty products in this box. There's two more items, and let's open up this one. This is from the brand Talbot's, and it's a beige tank top with lots of gold sequins. It's not really like my style anymore, but if any of you guys want it, I could definitely send it to you. This is what it looks like on. I do like it. I like that it's pretty shiny and very comfortable, but truthfully, most likely not gonna wear it. So if any of my subscribers want it, it's all yours. Just let me know in the comments and I'll send it to you. If you are a size small, you can have it. I'll send it over to you. And then lastly is this one. This is by the brand Vintage America, size extra small, and it retails for $69.50. So pretty pricey, right? Ooh, okay, that's what I'm talking about. I love the colors in this. You guys know I'm all about the tie up in the front, so that's totally my style. The only thing is I just noticed down here, it's kind of this thing. Looks a little confusing, but let's see what it looks like on. Okay, so this is what the last top looks like on. Wow, I am absolutely obsessed with the fabric of this. It's so soft and comfortable and light, but it's also pretty warm. Love the ties up in the front. It's a little bit longer in the back. I don't know about this open thing, but it does have a little clip up here, thankfully, so that way your bra doesn't show. I'm probably gonna wear it tucked in a little like this. Just fabulous. But yes, that was the last item in this eBay fashion mystery box. If you guys liked this box and if you liked this video, give me a thumbs up, and I will try to leave the link to this box in my description box below if you guys are interested. I definitely loved unboxing this for you guys. I love when sellers, you know, put the extra detail into these mystery boxes. It's always a plus, especially for video purposes, so thank you. I don't think they're watching, but whoever sent me this box, thank you. If you guys want to see other mystery box unboxings on my channel, give this video a thumbs up. Leave your suggestions in the comments of other mystery boxes that you want me to try out. But thank you all so much for hanging out with me in this video today. You taking the time out of your day to spend it here with me on my channel is always so greatly appreciated. So I hope you guys have a beautiful, lovely day, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye!